Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared, y squared, sy. They are degree number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. We have dy over dx. We do first derivative of v. We have dv over dx multiplied by x. Next, we do first derivative of x. You got about v. So I will put this one to change for y. Similar for this one. Dy over dx we change by this one. This one we have v square s square. This one we have vs square. So 3s square divided by vs square, vs square, s square divided by vs square. So we have 3 over v plus v. So we simplify v for the both sides. Now I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have v squared over 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. And we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And then we change v into y over s. And this is the final answer.